गाड़ी ऐसे 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 रहेगा, ऐसे
इधर
रिवर्स में। हाँ,
नीचे ग्राउंड पे
ग्राउंड के ऊपर, बाउंड्री के बाहर।
वो स्टेप्स के पास बोल रहे हो ना?
स्टेप्स के पास जब जहाँ पे
हाँ वाइट बोर्ड और
restroom is in the club, sir. Yeah, the club. They're having that.
ले लो लो
भाई जी, राव साहब, you and those two people will stand here.
So Team Maini and Team OSM, I wish you all the best. Before we start the match, we have some key dignitaries present here.
One picture everybody.
गिरना मत कोई नीचे।
हो गया?
Kind gesture and welcome the sportsmanship spirit, and I request Mr. Muralidhar Rao and Mr. Mahesh to speak for a few minutes.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Very good. Energy is high? Yes, sir. Well, this has been a great occasion in the manufacturing sector in the country. A special thanks and appreciation to Meshmix Media Private Limited, masters in branding and the printing in the country. They are the people to conceive this concept of manufacturing Premier League in the lines of IPL. It's the first of its kind happening in India, and let us give a big clap, a round of applause for Meshmix Media Private Limited. Well, why this cricket or a sports in an industry, in a manufacturing sector? If you see here, we have what health in two types. One is the mental health, another is the physical health. Sports is the one which is going to bind our health both in the perspective of the mind and also the body. There are several things are going to be exhibited here. The fitness of your body is going to be tested, and it's very important, and that gives lot of confidence. What we are going to take away from this particular tournament? It is not the trophy, it is not the winning or the losing. What we are going to take away is, the first thing to begin with is the discipline. Starting match on time and then playing a fair play is going to be demonstration of every one of us, our ethics and values. The next thing is going to happen is the team spirit. When we talk about an Indian team, we don't know from which state the particular player is going to play. Similarly, when you talk about your organizational team, we don't know from which department, and finally we all work together. Coming together is beginning, and playing together is the progress, and winning together at any cost is the real success of the whole story. I appreciate all of you to demonstrate the sportsman spirit. I appreciate every one of you. Finally, the winning or losing is just a matter of an incident. But what is very important is how we celebrate when we win and how we gracefully accept even if we don't win. That's the real life lesson that we're going to get from this game. Let me wish you all the best. How is the Josh?
Hi, sir!
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir!
How is the Josh?
Hi, sir!
I would like to wish all the 16 teams, let the best prevail and all of us will celebrate who is going to win. That's the message from here, from Bangalore HMD grounds for the first of its kind manufacturing Premier League conceived by Meshmix Media Private Limited. Thank you.
Hello. As a banker, this first time I'm seeing manufacturing industries having a tournament within themselves. I'm new to Bangalore and I'm very much happy to see that such a rosy welcome. And I have to appreciate the committee, managing committee and the entire team. And I wish all them a success. Here, as he said, my predecessor, winning is not an issue here. How we take up the match, it is till the last death, the last ball. We have to keep ourselves alive, and I believe in having a strong mind in a strong body. See, whatever we are working, we are all working to work, but where is the energy? Once we start playing, we come to know the entire team efforts. The entire team only will be able to make a match win. So as this is the case, then in our industrial purpose also, it is not an individual who makes the company grow. So once you start playing in a team, and it will help you a lot in your day-to-day activities, not only in your office, even in as a responsible citizen of this country. And I wish this is the first edition, I think.
Yes.
The first edition should not end with this, and I request the management committee not only to stop with cricket. See, there are several other events like marathon, all where everybody will be able.
Has hired umpires from KSCA. It is a neutral team, not biased, and they are all come here from KSCA. So everyone knows about KSCA, right? So I would like to invite Mr. Bhavani Shankar and introduce his team to you people. And before I hand over the mic, let's respect the umpire's decision. It is final, we all know that. And everyone, please remember, you are representing your company as well. If you have any issues, you can come talk to the organization committee. We can sort this out. But no fights on the field. Agree?
Yes, agree. All are good boys, sir. Matured boys.
Ravindra. Two scorers will be coming within 5 minutes. Okay.
So, I wish all the best to both the players and the captains of both the two teams, along with the umpire.
So it's a 10-over match. We're going to have a 10-over match. And the rules change.
Okay, gentlemen, this is a 10-over match, and the power play is 3 overs, 2 fielders outside the 30-yard circle,
Okay.
and all no balls are free. There is no leg bite, no elbow. Only bice is there. 1 bouncer allowed per over. Second bouncer is called as a wide up over. And, per bowler, 3, 3, 2.
Okay.
Two bowlers can bowl, maximum 3 overs.
Overthrow is also.
Everything is there, and checking and all, well, umpire will decide. So batsmen or any fielder should not be stressed on it. The worst case, definitely umpires will take care. All no balls are free. Thank you. No runner is
Okay. There is a very stringent and strict rule here that there is no sub-runner allowed. So ensure that you don't hurt yourself, don't get injured. Only fielders are allowed, but key batsmen or your key bowlers don't get injured. You can injure the opposite team in a diplomatic way. On a jovial note.
If anything is missed out, they will take the final decision and let us respect it. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Let's respect their decision as a final. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Side, sir.
Maybe come.
So tails is the call. Maini has won the toss. Pitch 1 that you can just see opposite to the dais. This is pitch 1. Round A. So we'll see all the players in next 2 minutes there. Okay, let's begin with the game.
Let's go on board. Two balls.
Ready? शेफलर की भी करवा दो वापस सब प्लीज
Hello, once again, I would like to invite Shapler India team along with the captain and Allied India, Allied Molded near the dais, please. Mr. Dinesh, most wanted. So we'll have the toss for team 2 now.
Wait, you need to take. अरे हो रहा है दिनेशान
आप फोटो लेना
दिनेशान हो रहा है
आपको यहाँ रहना ठीक है। Okay, guys.
पहले बता दो हेड्स कौन सा टेल्स का है.
So this is the heads.
नहीं कैप्टन को.
अरे उनका कैमरा में बताओ. This is head. This is tails. So this is head. I think मैंने तेज ऑलरेडी बता दिया. Okay, so you want
हाँ.
heads? Okay.
वो टेल है वो है मुझे बोला है
इन्होंने heads लिए मांगा ना?
नहीं you will swing and he will ask question.
Tail. Tail आ रहा था.
So Allied Malls has won the toss and decided to field first. 10 minutes.
140.
Captains, please come. I need to get the. You are done.
Any doubts? All the best to both of the teams. Good luck.
नहीं चल रहा है नहीं दिख रहा उधर का एक और भेजा हाँ
हेलो
मैं कैमरामैन की लाइन में
say something about one live commentary sir.
Yes, yes.
हिंदी में यार इंग्लिश में चलेगा commentary on the three languages.
Kannada better.
What is happening in the ground? So ladies and gentlemen,
ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೈನಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಬಾಲು ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ನಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ದಾಂಡಿಗರು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ HMT ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮೆಶ್ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಆರಂಭಗೊಂಡಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿಯಿಂದ ಬೌಲರ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಟಂಪಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಥ ಬಾಲು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಗಳಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ನಷ್ಟವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿಯ ಬಾಲ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವಿಕೆಟ್, ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ, ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲಿ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಪತನ. ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಪತನ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಪತನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿಯ ತಂಡದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಬಾಲನ್ನ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೀಪರ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ತಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾರರು ಅದನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ರನ್ ಗಳಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಷ್ಟವೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ, ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ. 4 ರನ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮೇಯವನ್ನ ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಗೆರೆಯ ಬಳಿ ನಿಂತು ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿಯಿಂದ. ಪ್ರಾಯಶಃ 4 ರನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ತಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಡ್ ವಿಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ 1 ರನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. MPL 2024 ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಲೀಗ್ 2024ನ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಸಿಕಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮೈನಿ ತಂಡದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ. ಮೈನಿ ತಂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ದಾಂಡಿಗನನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. 8 ರನ್ನಿಗೆ 1 ವಿಕೆಟ್. ಫುಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮೇಯ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ನಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಓವರ್ನ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ.
मुरलीधर सर को बहुत sorry, and I would like to thank Mr. Muralidhar Rao. He has supported us in all our efforts in this, when you vetted us when we first came with the idea of manufacturing the Premier League. And when we floated the idea, sir, you didn't took the 2 seconds. First second said, Dinesh, the idea is good.
I think what is very important is Meshmix Media Private Limited is going beyond business, and this is a very important thing for the manufacturing sector. This Meshmix Media Private Limited is having such an affection towards the manufacturing sectors, and India is moving ahead, becoming the global hub in the manufacturing by 2030, and a great effort has been conceived by Meshmix Media Private Limited, and
It's Mr. Rahul Mule just entered the field from Makino, India, and I can't see his colleague Mr. Harish. Harish is sitting very comfortably in the. What a shot. कोई नहीं. What a great bowling. Manufacturing Premier League 2024 match number 1, match number 2 is going on. 4 over completed, 28, pitch number 1. Omega is mobility loses wicket number 4. They have to come up with a new strategy. बहुत ही खूबसूरत गेंद, छठे स्टंप पे बैट्समैन मिस करते हुए. बहुत ही अनुभवी बॉलर. लेग साइड में गेंद हल्का सा फ्लिक किया गया. नहीं, अब उससे पूछो ना शर्मा जी. बहुत ही खूबसूरत शॉट. मतीनो आ गई. I would like to thank Mr. Mahantesh, who is very busy and helping and supporting us. रिवर्स स्वीप की कोशिश, बट गेंदबाज बहुत चतुर हैं, इतने चतुर हैं कि बल्लेबाजों को रन नहीं बनाने दिया जा रहा है। बल्लेबाज सोच रहे हैं क्या करें। ऐसा लग रहा है पिच टर्निंग है। आउट लगता है ओमेगा से की मोबिलिटी को कोई धुरंधर बल्लेबाज भेजना पड़ेगा रन रेट की गति बढ़ाने के लिए। I can see lot of run is scored in pitch number 2. Two aggressive batsmen are scoring boundaries and sixes. एक तरफ रन की वर्षा हो रही है और पिच नंबर 2 पे गर्मी बढ़ती हुई और खेल भी बहुत रोमांचित होता हुआ। मेरे को बताओ ना। ओह, लगता है मिस्टर शर्मा जी, दीपक शर्मा, इनके होनहार बल्लेबाज वेट कर रहे हैं अपने नंबर का।
So on pitch 1, 50 has been done. It's a team over, and the other end, one person already has been done. Is 50. क्या हाल है जी? Pitch 2, 5th over is going on, 77 over, 8th over is going on, 106 run and only 1 wicket down. So 1 wicket down of Scheffler. ने बैटिंग करना शुरू कर दिया है। बहुत अच्छी बॉल, बहुत अच्छी बॉल। ओमेगा वेल डन। So target for many is 58 and the bowler is ready and let's start. Oh, well done. Well got, well ball. So pitch 1. The other team has been started his batting and pitch 2, Scheffler is doing great. So first wicket down from many. Good catch. मधु वही स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाते हुए राइट से लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट से राइट होते हुए अरे वाह, मधु रिस्क लेते हुए और अपनी टीम की रक्षा करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं टीम मायनी से। यस, तो यहाँ पे भविष्यवाणी ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं किशोरा कि एक तरफ पिच टू पिच शेफलर जीतेंगे और दूसरी तरफ और फर्स्ट राउंड मैनी विल बी द विनर। सो लेट्स सी ये भविष्यवाणी किस हद तक सही होती है। किशोरा, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर टीम एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट। Match, right? You are also playing, sir, right?
We are also playing, and the expected score in this field should be near to 100. Then the matches can be won, and we are also having a strategy to keep near to 100 score, and we have very good bowlers, and we have very good fielders and batsmen also. So we are expecting a huge score on this from my side and from all of our other teams.
Good. So, Mr. Gaura, I just want to see that I have seen in the morning before the match, you were also checking the ground. Did you try something on ground or just thinking about to go with the hard work?
Actually, yesterday we were talking about 24 yards, but now it is 22 yards. So the ball actually comes well to the bat, and I think any team who plays on this field can make a good score.
You are saying it is not about the player who is actually boiling his blood. The ground is also, you know, the soil is hot, and the all teams are ready. He's saying that ball is coming on bat with the love, right? So love in the air, cricket in the ground. Let's go, guys. Play well and hard well. RCB. So how RCB? It's from Bangalore, that's why? But if I want to know which team is playing well in IPL in these days?
I think RCB.
Really? Yeah, man. See? This is Bangalore love I was talking about. Whatever will happen with RCB. RCB is a die-hard fan for RCB. It is because of Virat Kohli or it is because of Bangalore?
Because of both.
Seriously? He can be a politician one day. So let me ask the girl also here, because why I want to ask, because this time the girls RCB team won the IPL match, and I think if you say what she said, cup
Namdu.
Cup
Namdu.
So your team will also
Win.
Cup Namdu. Oh, great. So you are the fan of
RCB.
girls or boys?
Both.
Seriously, that's good. But I'm a fan of RCB girls team because I love Perry lady. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav.
Play. They are lost. They are so many signals. They was the play for the signals. Definitely, the score will be another 20-30 runs. Will win.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So many captain. Okay, Maini, where's the captain? And who's the captain? Shreyas. So Shreyas, congratulations, you won the match. It's just a first stairs. You won up, right? So do you want to say something about the match? And what is your experience for the ground as well?
Yeah, the ground was very fantastic. The toss played a crucial role. We wanted to bowl first, went in our way, and they restricted them to around. We had a plan to restrict them below 60 runs. We had that well, and our batsmen, Mr. Madhu, played really well. What is the runs?
I love to speak with Madhu because he was a Shaktiman today. So who's your favorite player? Don't say Muralidharan because he's in ball.
Favorite one, Michael Clark.
I was thinking Michael Jackson.
He's my favorite one.
Michael Clark. How it could be? We lost the match because of Bangalorean. That which one is your favorite team?
RCB.
I was thinking he will say Perry.
Hello. Hello.
Well played, boy, well played.
So special thanks to powered by OCL, quality partner Marpos, finance partner Sidby. So head called by Ayana, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so who won the toss? Makino won the toss. Okay, so Makino will go for bat and Ayana will go for bowling. I think they were looking for bowling.
We are going for batting first because bowling is our strength actually. Okay. So I'd like to put up a very decent score and then maintain.
Let's go, guys. Let's go into the ground and.
On pitch 2, we have 44.
We would like to talk something about him. So, sir, how you came with the idea to plan a manufacturing Premier League in Bangalore city actually? So, how do you feel like? Why?
The idea was to manufacturing authority and support mental health, support physical health. Health is something which is very important. The idea was to promote manufacturing via sports. That's the reason we built this event. And I would take this opportunity to thank all our sponsors. Thank Mr. Uday Anand,
Team Saffron is here.
And I think it's a good stage actually to collaborate with the industry leader like manufacturing. Industry people can come collaborate with the industry legend, startup can get an idea from those people who are already leading in the industry. So it's a very good initiative and a good platform that has been initiated by Messmix Media and joint venture with the KLM. Thank you.
The team can come here for the photograph also.
Solo.
First team.
The whole team can come here alone.
So
Okay, whole team.
Actually, here is scored 62 runs, won I think by 70 runs.
Bala sir,
It's
Ravi
very
ki
good
team
margin and their net run rate is high as well. It's good, good game guys.
Thank you.
Please post in your social media and
You want? I'll take the photograph.
So the next, that is fourth match, will be played on the second pitch, and it's between Indo MIM versus Wave Mechanics. From Indo
MIM Hoskote plant.
Indo MIM Hoskote plant, Mr. Manoj, and we have Wave Mechanics captain, Mr. Vijay. So we have a toss referee here, Mr. Dinesh Misra, and MD of Messmix Media. So he,
Who is going to tell? Me or
Who will call?
So call is Wave Mechanics captain Vijay. So here is the flip of the toss.
It's tail.
It's tail. Here was the call. It's tail. So Indo.
Would like to field first.
So here's the news from the stage. So Indo MIM captain has won the toss and they have elected for the field. So it's good luck, sir. What's your strategy? Can you say a few words about it?
Yeah, I mean, there is no much strategy because every player has to perform.
Okay.
And let the best team win.
Okay.
And all the best. Thank you.
Yeah. So would you like to say something like?
No, actually we are good in both batting and bowling, so we are not minded about toss. We like to win race.
Okay, good. Thank you. So here's the news from the center. Like we have fourth match is going to begin in 5 minutes. So Indo-MIM has won the toss and they have elected the ball first. Thank you. All the best, both the team and both the captain. Thank you. So here's the fifth match has to begin and now it's toss time and we have Sampath captain and we have Niranjan is the captain. So we have toss referee Mr. Dinesh Mishra and flipper Mr. Dimanshu. So who has to call? Okay. Sampath has to call. So here is the flip of the coin. It's tell.
You have to tell right now or?
Yes.
Then we would like to feel first.
Okay. So here's the news from the center. So
Come Arunji, let's have a photo.
What's team actually?
Upnal.
Upnal CNC.
Upnal CNC has won the toss and decided to field first. So all the best, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. All the best.
एक फोटो तो लेने दो
अरे यही तो बढ़िया करते हैं
ना क्या ले लो ना भाई एक हाँ अरुण जी को पता है हम लोग क्या करते हैं फोटो का बाद में
The man of the match goes to man of the match. Highlight. We have the captain of the team. So, captain, do you want to say something?
Good bowling performance up front, and we kept it really tight and good fielding. And then of course Rajat steal the show. He scored at a good pace and whatever was required. So very happy with this.
So we can say king from Ayana.
Yes, of course.
Got the man of the match.
Raja of
Raja of Bangalore. Well done, guys. Best of luck for your next match.
Thanks.
इधर देखो टीम आया ना
On pitch one, we have
a very new market product that allows you to understand your morphology of the eye and any diseases that the eye can have at a very short time period. Within 3 seconds, you will understand whether your eye is probably going to go bad or it's good, it's very good. All those things happen just in 3 seconds. That's how it happens.
We will showcase the state-of-the-art machine, and thank you Ravi Kiranji for your support toward Matrix Media and participating in manufacturing machinery. Anything you want to say?
Yes, one thing is you guys can get your eyes checked along with improving your game. That's one thing. You can come down. And the second thing is thank you Mr. Ji for giving us this opportunity. We are playing and also making an impact through our diagnostics. Thank you.
आगे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमको सपोर्ट करेगा and ladies and gentlemen, do visit Meda Plus booth and best wishes for the game, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, one photo.
And on 62, 5 wickets down. He chased like Virat Kohli today. Well played, Ravindra, well played, man.
You have played the well game. How the jazz? How the jazz? How the jazz? Good.
Congratulate Wave Mechanics. They played really well. End of the day, team performed well, especially the batting. We are not quite happy with the fielding and bowling, but definitely we're going to learn from this.
I know Captain will go around. Today, I think you will take training or class.
Best of luck for the match, guys.
Thank you. Sir, Raghu sir, phone like the bag and the key.
He will be my mentor too.
You the only one from Dogman. Ari है ना चलो
अच्छा
that film picture
अच्छा चलो ठीक है बोला 1:30 के हिसाब से बोला था आ जाएगा ठीक है अच्छा ठीक है
Tomorrow you're saying.
Ravi Kiran ji. So, captain of Better Plus and the captain from Log 9. And we love to request Mr. Bhojraj ji for the toss. Okay. So, coin is ready. Teams are ready. Yes.
Who will be calling? हाथ पीछे वो कर दीजिए अपनी साइड ना हाथ पीछे करके
So, Log 9 please call. Okay. Yes. So heads from Log 9, they won the toss. What do you want to decide?
We'll choose bat.
So Log 9 will go for bat and I know they were looking for bowling actually. So that's fine. Best of luck and just have one picture with Mr. Bhojraj ji.
Yeah.
Please come here.
Bansu.
I'll also come. Bhojraj is there.
Sharad sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
Can we have the whole team for a photograph, please?
Yes, please.
Please come here.
No.
Asamudi, you can sit. Yeah, that'll be better.
And congratulations to Team Upanal and the coach and the mentor, Mr. Arun Upanal. He has coached his team very well. Thank you, Team Phillips. Thank you to my friends.
Daddy, you danger away.
Are you son mobility markers?
I know.
Can you guys please come in the middle? Sir, here, in the middle.
You have to come in the middle.
Okay. So, ready for the toss?
Yeah.
Done. Tail. So, the toss won by Indo MIM. What do you think? So, Indo MIM will go for ball first. I think the strategy is same for Indo MIM. Last over.
Yeah, we are strong in bowling. We are very good bowlers. First we'll bowl, then we'll bowl.
Okay. And what about sir? Okay, so Indo IMM go for bowling and AMS will go for bat. Best of luck team.
Which one, please? Their phone आ रहा है कोई नहीं मैडम
रवि सर उधर है शायद। सर आपकी फेवरेट टीम जीत गई। फेवरेट टीम आपकी। हेलो सर। राहुल वहीं पे रहो, लॉग नहीं दिखना चाहिए। नहीं इससे
लॉग 9 जाके फोटो खिंचवाओगे?
Thank you, Ravi sir. बहुत धन्यवाद आपको।
एक टीम फोटो प्लीज ये क्या कैमरा कहाँ गया?
Congratulations. So Indomie, both the teams have won the award today. In the morning also.
ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಚೇರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು
Mukul Sharma.
For the match, I was thinking that we will get at least 3 overs.
Not bad.
Congratulations, Mr. Mukul.
Thank you. Well done. Well done.
Oye, apna phone. I have this. हट जा।
कितना धूप में हम सन मोबिलिटी कितना शाइन कर रहे हैं ना।
Bro, 1 second.
The sun was out and sun have won. They didn't give. They are jealous of sun mobility. I don't know why. We had to.
Opposite tails.
This is tails.
So Indo, I'm
Who will take a call?
toss. Let's see.
Yeah, I told it.
फिर से।
Hey, come on.
One sec. Sir, are you okay? Or you want to talk?
It's up to you. You got to decide. I told it. Fell it. Then he didn't hear. That's it.
It's okay if we take the toss once again?
We can do 3. Yeah. No.
Oh, this is.
Rohit Sharma tactic.
So Indo MIM has won the toss.
Hardik Pandya has gone.
We won the toss first.
Fielding, they are doing fielding.
So Indo MIM has opted to field first, and Upanal will be going to bat first. Anyway, thank you.
इधर दे दो, कॉइन मेरे को दे दो।
Captains.
हाँ मौसम ठीक है यार, कल होना चाहिए।
कल ग्लूकॉन डी बांट रहे थे।
Shake hands.
आज तो पानी भी नहीं लगेगा।
कॉइन किसके पास है?
अरे नीतिका को दिया।
So,
रूल्स बताती है।
नहीं
रूल्स अभी बताएंगे।
अंपायर उन लोग को दो ओवर बोला अंपायर को बोले नहीं तो
टॉस ही खराब हो जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे। कॉल ही नहीं करने को बोला।
Tails.
head.
Tails.
It's head.
टेल्स है। टेल्स है ये।
टेल्स है।
ये tails है.
You wanna bat, right? Okay, we'll bowl.
So Sun Mobility will go for ball.
ये स्मार्ट ओवर स्मार्ट आदमी।
So Sun Mobility will go for bowling and Ayana will go for batting.
We heard that they want to bat.
That's what
We are used to it.
So all the teams, good luck.
pressure. Build pressure.
Attention please. Teams, can I have your attention please? So this will be 8-over match, and umpires will be telling how many bowlers are allowed per bowler. And the important thing is
Excuse me.
Yeah, the masked man. And Ayana के लोग बॉडी बाइसेप्स दिखाते हुए लगा नहीं वो बर्थमार्क होगा. दादा और तेजा का बार किधर
गीली है ना, उसको भी फिसलने का डर है उधर गीला भी.
क्षेत्र रक्षण में शर्मा जी टीम का फील्ड का जायजा लेते हुए और हाई कमांड को अपडेट करते हुए.
डेड बॉल.
ये मैच देख के मुझे एक बुंदेलखंडी गाना याद आ रहा है. कहे लगे मुँह से बब्बा, कहने गया मोरा तंबाकू का डब्बा. नटराज ने बहुत ही खूबसूरत नटराज वाली कैच पकड़ी. सेफलर की टीम मौजूद फील्ड में, 2 प्लेयर फील्ड का मुआया.
बैट्समैन पूरा स्टंप छोड़ के घुमाया तो बढ़िया है, लेकिन सिर्फ
अंपायर को मनाना इजी नहीं.
बैट बॉल को छुआ नहीं. बैट्समैन इज ट्राइंग वेरी हार्ड. बैट्समैन बहुत बढ़िया शॉट ऑफ साइड की गेंद पे मारा है, ऑफ साइड में चौका.
बहुत ही सुंदर इशारा करते हुए द मास्क मैन, द अंपायर ऑन द फील्ड. We have very short time, so we have to play on time. Team Ayana and Sun Mobility, please. Let's start the bowling and Ayana will do the batting.
टॉस हो गया ना. अच्छा उसके लिए. अच्छा पहले प्लेयर ऑफ द
Sun Mobility captain and Ayana captain, please come down.
The man of the match goes to Srinivasan Subramaniam.
Guys, please clear
from
the
Indo
field.
MIM.
Please
come on the
field.
dais, please.
From Indo MM team. Congratulations, Indo MM. You won the match. And who's the man of the match? So how was the match?
It's really good.
And how's the show?
It's very entertaining.
Please, do you want to say something? No, I think he will. He's asking for the captain actually. So let's first give the man of the match. So we'll have to call the captain. It was a tight match. So do you want to say something about the show, event and match?
Yeah, I mean, firstly I should appreciate, the organizers. It is a wonderful, event, and especially with the rain, the arrangement was very good. And coming to the game, team, played well, both batting and bowling, and fielding was good. So let us continue and let's be in the final.
So what are you
Umpires are
saying,
on the
God
field,
is with-
please
God was with
requesting
you
all the
and He's still
teams
with you.
to please start
Because
the
when you were
match. We
playing,
don't
the
have
weather was
time,
very
much
good,
time, please.
and now sun is on the sky.
Sun Mobility is doing
Like
the
your will.
fielding first.
Congratulations.
We request the
Congratulations.
batsman from Ayana to please come on
So,
the field.
We love to, we love to, thanks our sponsors, powered by OSM, quality partner Marpos, finance partner Sidbi, automation partner Shridhan, equipment partner Sprinzo, man of the match Adya Tech, and connectivity partner ACT FiberNet. Go for ACT.
The two batsmen are coming on the field.
I am Legends and Scheffler captain. Please come near the dice for the toss. So log 9 and Manny for the toss. Scheffler and Indo. MM Legends. Mim Legends. Indo Mim Legends versus Scheffler. Please come here for the toss. Log 9 and Manny, please come here for the toss. The event organizer. Who will call first? Log 9. Call. It's tails. Log 9, please tell.
Bat pass.
So log 9 for go for bat. So I just want to know, how's the event? Do you want to say something about the event?
The organization is good. Instead of the pitch over there, it's bit right now. But I think this pitch looks good. I think we'll expect a good game.
And from Manny, do you say something about the event and the pitch?
Yeah, it's a very fantastic organization. Thanks to the whole organizing committee. The ground looks very well. You're made up. Yesterday was a very bad night, so thank you.
No, we are here for you, and definitely everybody will win the match, maybe with the less overs. So best of luck.
All the best to both the teams.
Feedback from them, right? So sir, do you want to say something about the event, match, how's going on? Any thoughts you want to put it?
Bowl post. We win the toss? Huh?
No, we. You can speak in your language.
Tamil.
Please speak. The event.
Hello?
About the event. So let's do the new way. Now there are two captains on the dais, and they will talk to each other, and they will talk in Kannada. They will talk about the how's the event, and the 2 days goes better for them or not. So let me call Kishora and Sudarshan. They will talk to each other and they will talk about the event.
How I have to start?
You have to say, you have to talk. You can ask her, sir, how's going?
Yeah, Sudarshan, how is your experience?
The highest score by Scheffler yesterday.
Yeah. So, what is your plan for today? What is your plan for today, Sudarshan?
Today is only for 8 hours.
Yeah.
It's raining yesterday. Planning for only for small ground. Ground is very small ground.
It's a 6.
My team is win the toss as to bowl first.
Okay. So you have the same players? You have the same players? 15 members who played yesterday? You have any changes?
No changes. No 15 members already. As 11 is when the toss is selected.
Well played, team our Upanal CNC. Well played, Niranjan ji.
Okay. Event after run ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. How do you after ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? Yeah, you can speak me in the Tamil.
Oh, white ball.
ஒரு ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் இந்த மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லேருந்து நடத்துறது இது நாங்கள் ஒசூர்லேருந்து இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நாங்கள் இந்த போட்டியில் கலந்துருக்கோம். அதுக்கு வந்து
நிரஞ்சன்ஜி
சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி இங்கேருந்து வந்து விளையாடுறதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. குட் ஆர்கனைசிங் பட் கிரவுண்டு இஸ் ரொம்ப ஸ்மால் கிரவுண்ட் பட் என் சைடு மை சைடு அண்ட் எவரி கமாண்டிங் இஸ் எவரி பால் இஸ் கமாண்டிங் is
Niranjanji.
Every ball is ball is commanding and 1 over finish is score and other team is score watching. Every team is all players tell me score confused.
Yeah, Sudarshan says event is going well, so very well organized. So he's looking for the next year event.
Say something about the event. I think you know the organizer very closely, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah, I know Dinesh from last almost 1.5 months. Every day I'm talking to Dinesh. Things are going well. So very good event. So we are all enjoying. From our company, we came with 2 teams. So all 30 players are enjoying the match. So very well organized. We'll be waiting for the next year event. Yeah.
I think you will get that chance very soon, not for the next year. So let's start the toss. I think Preeti will help us. Preeti will go the toss.
Niranjanji.
So Kishora and from the Schaffler. Okay, so Schaffler will take the call.
Sir, come for commentary.
It's a head. Schaffler won the toss and they will decide. So they will go for a ball. So
ball first.
Okay. So Schaffler will go for ball and
yeah, we are ready with batting. No issue.
They are ready with the batting. So best of luck, teams. Yes. So next match after this Sun Mobility match.
Mr. Sharma is bowling.
4th match. After that there is a match with Log9 and Mani, and after Log9 and Mani there is Indo MM and Schaffler will play. Mobility. We love to invite Mr. Jagdish. Come here for the man of the match.
Mr. Jagdeep from Planetronics will be handling over the award. The winning team, please come on the dais for photograph.
Deepak Sharma.
Team, it's
Deepak
a team
Sharma
effort.
ji.
Come. It's a team win. Come on, guys, come. It's a team effort.
Man of them.
Come on. The whole team is man of the match. Come. Hey, Dhanush, come.
So,
Please come.
the award
Hey, Akhtar,
will be
Sunil,
given by
Anil, come.
Mr. Jagdish. And
It's a team win, guys. Come on. No individual.
right now we will give the award to Mukul and then we will have a picture with everyone. Dinesh bhai. एक और फोटो खींचिए. So second time Mukul Sharma is man of the match for Sun Mobility. S23 or 4? So Mani and Log9. नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं पंडितों का. Mani and Log9, please send your 12th man for score here. Umpire is already in the ground and we have the masked man. Sir, umpire का नाम क्या है? जमील जी बैठे हैं यहाँ पे. Please share the umpire's name with us. Please share the umpire's name with us. जमील जी, अगर आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं, please provide the name of other 2 umpires, please.
महांतेश को दिया था. अच्छा नहीं, दे दिया.
पेपर पेन है क्या?
माइनी टीम उधर ही है नीचे.
टीम स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हुए एंड अंपायर वेट कर रहे हैं टीम्स का. लॉग 9 की टीम ऑलरेडी पहुंच चुकी है. So let's start the third match of the day. He's playing on camera and with camera. Thank you, Malaysia. Thank you so much. नागराज एंड मलेश जी दूसरी तरफ हमारी सहायता करते हुए. मलेश एंड नागराज ऑन कैमरा. They are playing with the cameras and player playing in the match. Thank you, Malesh ji. So पहली ओवर के लिए तैयार माइनी अपनी टीम को
न्यूजीलैंड हो.
well done Ayana, well done.
सबसे स्टेबल टीम आना का वो क्या है ना मुकुल शर्मा ना मेरे से आशीर्वाद ले गया था.
मुकुल शर्मा को ढूंढते हुए हमारे दिनेश जी.
वो आशीर्वाद लेके गया था.
जिसने लिया दिनेश का आशीर्वाद वो जीत के दलीज पर हमेशा पहुंचता है. क्यों दिनेश जी?
100 चना काम बना नड़ियारे केतेटा कोणा.
जब तक दिनेश जी चना कुलचा नहीं खा लेते तब तक ये चने को छोड़ने वाले नहीं हैं. चना जोर गरम.
चना जोर. अरे उसको 50 फोन आता है ऑफिस का.
Event. So Surya is here, who's the man of the match for third match of the day. So man of the match goes to Surya. Surya. जमीन पर सूर्य मैन ऑफ द मैच ले रहे हैं और आकाश पर सूर्य चमक रहे हैं. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Nitika Sharma from Marpos. So man of the match goes to Surya. Well done Surya and well done Many team. So,
Sorry, we lost the toss, but we expected to bowl, and we did that. We restricted them.
Calm down. So, if you want to say something about the events. Hello. So, team with the man of the match of Surya. And where is the Surya? नीचे सूर्य की चमक, ऊपर सूर्य की चमक. Nathan with the goggles. Congratulations team. So man of the match in between us is Ranganathan from Indomim. Maini, Indomim, Indo,